So for the last train, and we just had ramen. We wanted something sweet and something cold to
cleanse our palate.
cleanse our palate. We have ordered the banana cocoa frozen. It's frozen vending machine. So we just put the money in it, 200 yen for the big cup. And let's see.
Banana cocoa frozen.
Banana cocoa frozen.
They got here banana frozen. They got the strawberry frozen.
Yeah.
They got 7 seconds left.
Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1. There's the frozen. What? Yo.
Here you go.
There it is. Sure?
Yep.
Wow. Good taste. Banana and chocolate. You can't go wrong with it. But I would say ice is a little bit kind of bigger sign. No, it's not.
It's not like a slushie, it's just like a cold beverage.
It is like a slushie, but after like an hour. Right? But the taste is really good.
It's like someone took chocolate milk and a banana and like a bunch of ice cubes and just put it in a blender. That's what it's like. The ice chunks are kind of big.
Yeah.
Oh, our train is here. This is the last train. And we're doing our banana cocoa frozen.
Yeah. See you guys.
We tried to shoot this last time, but our last train got here before the frozen got ready, so we had to ditch the frozen. We're here for a redemption.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.